So I used the Ziploc one that we bought, and it fits perfectly. Like, it fits like a glove. Can you see that? And it's so secure, and I'm loving this. Look at it. It's awesome, and it's so much tinier than this one. So I can put this in the luggage and this in my carry-on, so that the most important stuff are safe with me. This one is my mom's stuff, and it's old papers, like it's from my grandpa who passed away years ago. So this one would fit perfectly in this cover, and I'm gonna throw this thing away. So let's see.
Regine's on her way over here.
Perfect.
I'm in my old house. She just
Beautiful. Look, it looks like a tornado threw up in here. Mom's going crazy. Mostly because of sleep, or lack thereof. She just wants to go to bed. Does not realize we only have one more day left. So, look at her face. She doesn't even care. Okay. Seriously, if this is 51, even 52 pounds, I would be so happy. I put my beauty stuff in there too, so if this is perfect, I'm gonna open this up and then take this out and put it back in my room until Sunday. And then Sunday I'll put it back in here. Let's see the weight. Be right back. It's 10 pounds heavier. At least 9 pounds heavier. Oh, look at that sad face. You can go sleep if you want, Mom. I'm serious. I'll take 9 pounds out. I'll do that. You can go if you want.
புது ஒரு லக்கேஜே உருவாக்கிட்டு மேடா.
So let's just say half success. I rearranged this box, which was about 5 pounds overweight, to completely perfect. Now this one, this has lost, let's see, we took that box out, which was 5 to 6 pounds, and there's something else underneath. Can you see the Vera Bradley one right there? That was 2 pounds, and then there's another one that was like a pound. So total of 7 to 8 pounds we took out of this thing, and I put one of my mom's cosmetic thing into the box. So that was solid 4 pounds. So now this has lost 12 pounds, and it was 10 pounds overweight. So I think, Mom, I'm good. I'm done. Done? Where's that? What's that? Yes, Mom. Oh my gosh. We're good, guys. We are good to go. I'm gonna weigh this suitcase one more time to see if it's 49, 48 pounds. Hopefully it's 48, because I need to put my tripod in there. If I can't fit my tripod in here, then I'll just put it in my hand luggage, no problem. Whatever. Hi guys. Okay, I need to speak really softly because it's 3:31 a.m. On Saturday. I look a little crazy because I think the last video clip that I filmed was when I needed to rearrange the suitcase because it was 5 or 10 pounds, whatever. I can't remember. It's too late. It's too early. It's all a blur. I need to go to bed. But just to give you just of what just happened. So I rearranged the box and I rearranged the suitcase. The box came out to be perfectly 50 pounds, and the the suitcase came out to be 55 pounds, so it was 5 pounds heavier. And I told my mom that, and I mean, she asked me what's the situation. I told her that it was 5 pounds heavier, and then I was like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, because I was doing calculations and, you know, taking this, that, and the other thing, putting it somewhere else, rearranging it, trying different things. And my mom asked me, what did you put from the suitcase into the box? And I told her, your beauty bag thing, one of your beauty bags. And the thing is, I took the beauty bag out of the suitcase, and I asked my mom to weigh it, and she told me it was 4 pounds. And then I said, okay, that's perfect, I can just put it in the box. And then she just left, you know, other things to do. And so I rearranged it that way. And when I told her that I put her beauty bag into the box, she freaked out. Like, I don't know what it is with some people, like, I don't know. We have 15 boxes, and I feel like, what? I just put one of the stuff from you. I mean, that box, that cardboard box, we're gonna open when we get there, immediately. I mean, I understand where she's coming from. She has little beauty products, and like, she has 2 bags of beauty products. I get it, okay? I just feel like she doesn't get it. I don't know. And then I told her, because I worked so hard on that. And then she just looked at me and she was like, can you put your stuff in the box instead of the bag, the blue bag? And then I was like, I was thinking this. I worked so hard to rearrange these, and then now you want me to rearrange them again. And I said, Mom, I asked you if I could put it in there, and you told me yes. If you didn't want me to put it in the box, you should not have told me yes. And then her face just went, did I tell you yes? Did I tell you to put it in the box? Like, oh, I don't know. I feel like sometimes she treats me like a child, when even though I'm taking care of everything except for my body, and I will get there, but I'm not gonna lose 50 pounds by tomorrow. So what? And even if I start one, like a complete routine, like, I lost about 5 pounds already by doing nothing, because of the happiness and like the joy I have in my heart. The feeling of something was missing from my life was gone. The weight is starting to come off by itself, because it's all stress pounds. And yeah, I'll take care of that, but I mean, come on, give me the benefit of the doubt that I know what I'm doing, at least in the other stuff. You know, that really frustrated me. And then I was like, you know what, Mom, just go to sleep. And she came upstairs and she went to sleep. She was already sleepy and tired. I've been telling her for an hour. I told her for an hour straight for her to go to sleep, and she refused, flat out refused. I don't even know why. So I don't know. I mean, I just hate when that happens. I tell you to do this, and then the immediate response is, why did you do that? Don't do that, do something else. Oh, I hate that so much. It frustrates me so much. My arm's hurting because of the stress. Anyway, coming out of that, I really don't care about what she said anymore. That was around 2 o'clock. So for an hour and a half, I have been calculating how much is in the box, how much is in the suitcase, what other stuff I need to put in the baggages, including hand luggages or carry-ons, and taking her blue bag out of the box, putting it back in the suitcase where it was, safe and sound, and taking my beauty case out of it and put it in the box. And I packed it and managed it as well as I could. This arrangement, I can't, there's nothing else I can do. I'm so tired and I'm so frustrated, and just, there's absolutely nothing else I can do. I mean, I don't know, it was one thing, and she makes a big deal out of it. Whatever, it just frustrates me to the point where I just start crying, and then everybody who's dealing with me just gives up and thinks I'm so weak, and like, I don't know if anybody understands me. I'm gonna stop talking about this. Anyway, so it's such a waste of time to talk about something like this. But it is nice to let it out that I was frustrated. Yes, I was to the point where I could cry. But I didn't, because it wasn't worth it. I have one day to get all of this freaking things packed and put in the van because nobody is gonna help me. And my mom sure can't lift anything heavy. And I don't want her to because of her varicose vein. And yeah, I just have a lot more things that I need to care about. Although that does take practice, you know, because obviously I'm still talking about it to you guys because I'm still frustrated, and just, I dealt with it, I managed it, I fixed her situation the way she wanted it. Like, it's not the boxes. See, this is the thing. Like, I'm still talking about it because I've been so frustrated, but in the back of my mind, I'm like, I have a million other things that I need to worry about tomorrow, or today, I should say. I need to go to the bank before noon, and I haven't got any sleep yet, and I need to film all of this crap. Yeah, I need to film all of that today, get my eyebrows done, and then pay for the extra baggage before check-in. I need to check in at 4:40 today p.m. and then I need to send the itinerary to my uncle who's picking us up. I need to take pictures of the luggages arranged and send it to my uncle so he can arrange transportation stuff. If he wants to rent a van or something bigger, he needs to figure that out, so I need to send him pictures. Like, there's so many freaking things that I need to deal with, and this is not one of them. I will not let it be one of them, so this is stopping now. Sorry that rant went for 10 minutes straight. Anyway, so, you know, it gets to a point where my hand luggage is full already. All I can put is my time machine in there, and that's it. I was originally planning on putting my DSLR in there with the camera bag, but it's not gonna fit in there, so my mom is gonna have to carry it for me because I'm taking the laptop backpack with all the tech things and my laptop in it. So I'm gonna be hauling something on my back as well, and there's no other way but for her to carry my camera, and I just hate for her doing that. You know, it's like, I've been through so much in life that I feel like I should take care of my stuff myself. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to sound like I'm being rude, but like, when she's carrying it, it's like, when somebody else is doing something for me, I feel like in the back of their mind or something, I don't know, I feel like they think that I can't take care of it, and they're doing something, they're doing me a favor, and they need to be acknowledged about it. And I'll acknowledge you, thank you, I really appreciate that, but I don't know. I mean, yeah, I shouldn't feel like that with my mom. I'm just saying that's just the way I feel, and it feels kind of weird to think about that my mom's gonna be carrying my camera bag on her back. So that's done. It's 3:44. I think I'm gonna edit it a little bit, and then I am hitting the sack. I'm so tired. I've lost my voice completely today because I was frustrated. I need to get a grip. Okay. Tomorrow, including the ones I already mentioned, I need to charge all of my devices, organize my videos, and I need to fix my Nano with some new music. And I think that's it. I'm just remembering, I don't even know how I forgot. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Love everything. Share your love. Give somebody who's really struggling a big hug. Tell them that they can do it, and tell them that you're with them. Love yourself. Just love yourself. Love everything about you, and then you will see everything will change, and then everything will fall in place automatically. If you don't love what you're doing, go do what you love to do. Change it, because it's not worth it. It's not worth going through. Just do what you love to do, and don't hurt anybody. And Oh, I'm gonna go. Life's good, and I hope yours is going good as well. Okay, I'm gonna sign off because it's 4 and I think I won't have time to edit as well. So I'm just gonna go to bed. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you all so much. I hold you all near and dear to my heart. Carpe diem.